Welcome to my channel. So today is November 11th. It's about 11 o'clock. We've had rain for, drizzle to rain for about 4 hours in Pacific Grove, California. And not significant. I don't have a rain gauge. I don't have a way to find out how much rain has fallen, but it's enough to make the ground wet. And after 4 hours or so, it's definitely penetrating the soil. My swales are working and they're stopping sheet flow from happening. In the meantime, the gutters on either side of the road next to the house are flowing, and they've got about a 2-inch flow on both sides of the gutters, both sides of the street. And it's constant running flow. And that's going as fast as is possible straight to the bay, which I disagree with. The idea to use swales is to reduce runoff, reduce erosion, water plants for free, put more water in the subsoil, and build more fertility. And my swales are working great. They're not filling, which is exactly what they're not supposed to do unless there's a really heavy rain set. They are soaking in. The water is soaking into the swales. The water's not getting past the swales. There's no sheet flow on the property that I'm working on, the demonstration site that I'm working on. There's no sheet flow except where there's hard surface runoff. So where there's hard surface runoff, for instance, the roof to the gutters, and the gutters are filling a rock cistern underground. And then the rain is significant enough, we're probably going to get 1/2 inch today. I'll have to check somebody else's rain gauge today, but it's finally becoming a significant amount of rain, enough to where I cannot call it drizzle anymore. And the streets are definitely showing runoff. The streets are not just wet and then drying. They're getting wet and staying wet. The runoff is consistent. Our flow of water is consistent. Now, the rain is falling all over Monterey County and county. And so that means that all that water that's going to hard surface runoff is not being used. It's going straight to the bay. It goes into our sewer system that leads to the bay. That goes and is not getting recycled. It's not getting reused. So if people are interested in swales and how to reuse the water that's falling on their land, they can leave a comment below. You can give us a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. You can subscribe if you really like this content. And if you really, really like this content, you can share it with others. And if you really, really, really like this content, you can create content of your own and share it with me, because I'm interested to see what you're doing. Have a great day.